Number 3303 is our 6-piece polishing point set. It includes 3 brown, coarse grit, rubber-bonded aluminum oxide points, perfect for fast scratch removal and smoothing. 3 blue, medium grit, rubber-bonded silicon carbide points, which can also be used for smoothing but are ideal for polishing. Both come in barrel, flame, and bullet shapes. Number 3308 is Dedeco's 6-piece wire brush set. This versatile set easily removes rust and corrosion from metals. It includes 2 wheel-shaped wire brushes, 2 cup-shaped wire brushes, 2 knot-shaped wire brushes. All brushes have 1/8-inch shanks. Wire brushes should never exceed 15,000 RPM. With this recommendation, we are being ultra cautious. In fact, test results prove that wire brushes can run safely up to 17,000 RPM. Number 3309 is a 6-piece grinding stone set. Brown aluminum oxide stones are old-time favorites for grinding metals. This set includes 1 each of barrel, bullet, cylinder, knife edge, taper, and wheel shapes. All stones are mounted on 1/8-inch shanks. Number 3310 is unique to the market. It is a 6-piece diamond point set. These long-lasting diamonds are the ultimate choice for carving, engraving, and exact adjustments on wood, ceramics, glass, and other hard materials. The set includes 1 each of round, barrel, cone, cylinder, flame, and point shapes. The diamonds are mounted on 1/8-inch shanks. It should be noted that the Dedeco products which have been discussed are proudly manufactured in the USA. Later this year, we'll be enlarging the line with an assortment consisting of accessories totally unique to the do-it-yourself marketplace.